All right. Who wants to eat? Okay, from all the adults here, who wants to eat a frozen graham cracker?
Me.
All right. Come on over here. Be very careful where you step.
I know.
Probably safest to come around this way.
Yeah, because it's pretty slippery over there.
Yeah.
All right. So the trick to this is that whenever you eat it, you can't let it stay in one spot too long, so you have to move it around your mouth.
Okay.
If you leave it in one spot for too long, it will stick to your tongue.
Oh my.
All right, so let's try this out.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
So let me see you do it first.
All right. Let's try the warmer one. You know what?
You got me.
He said, I wanted to see him do it first. I wanted to watch him take the bullet first before I.
All right. Get that one down for a little bit.
You all look.
Yeah. Okay. Pull.
All right.
All right. And go.